In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install plugins in WordPress using 3 different methods. This is a crucial task for any website administrator, as plugins extend the functionality of your site, offering features and tools that are not available in the basic version of WordPress. Installing plugins might seem daunting at first, but I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you feel confident and capable by the end of this tutorial. Let's start by heading over to the WordPress.com website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the official URL for WordPress. Once there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find the Login button. If you already have an account, simply click Login and enter your credentials. If not, you might want to consider creating one to fully utilize WordPress's capabilities. After you've logged in, you'll be brought to what is known as the WordPress dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your home base. It's where all the magic happens. From here, you can control every aspect of your website, including writing new blog posts, customizing themes, and administering plugins. Now, look to the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard. There, you'll notice an option labeled Plugins. Click this to enter the plugin section of your site. This is where you can manage all the plugins you currently have installed, whether they are active, inactive, or awaiting updates. In the plugin section, you'll see the option to add new. Click on this to browse through thousands of plugins available in the WordPress directory. You can explore different categories or use the search bar to look for specific plugins you need. One common way to install a plugin is by downloading it in a zip format from an external source and uploading it via WordPress. Once you've navigated to the Add Plugins page, you'll notice a button that reads Upload Plugin at the top. Clicking this will present you with an option to upload a plugin in the form of a zip file. Simply choose the downloaded file from your computer and click Install Now. After installation, don't forget to activate the plugin to start using its features. Congratulations! You've now learned how to install plugins in WordPress using a couple of straightforward methods. With these new skills, you're well equipped to enhance your website with countless tools and features. Whether you're looking to improve security, optimize SEO, or add a sleek new design element, the possibilities are truly endless. Enjoy customizing your site. And thanks for watching.